Is it normal to be confused in electrical engineering 90% of the time? When you're starting out, the answer is yes. These topics are weird, they're challenging, they're difficult. You are going to be wondering what's going on, and that is totally fine. As an example, we talk about LEDs a lot. Actually, we use LEDs on the digital evaluation board, and some are confused as to why we need to use a resistor with an LED. Now, on the DEB, those are integrated, so you don't have to worry. But if you're building something from scratch, then yes, usually you need to use a resistor. And what that does is it limits the flow of current to the LED, so there's not too much of it, which will exceed its maximum rating and basically blow it up. You don't want to do that, right? So these are very, very critical questions, but the overarching takeaway from this is don't be intimidated by something new or weird or different. It doesn't mean you can't do it. Let's say you were learning how to dance or learning a new language. You're going to look awkward at first. You're going to think maybe you're not going to feel so smart, or you're whatever the doubt is in your mind. And you know what? There is an expression, a really good one that I can think of, that states, if you're the smartest person in the room, you're in the wrong room. So get into a room where you actually are a little awkward and don't know all the answers and even look silly at times. This is how you grow. This is how you learn. And that is the starting point for many, many different things, including electrical engineering. If you're not afraid and you're not discouraged and you're okay with looking silly from time to time, eventually you will be a great engineer. And if you want to get yourself in the right room, check out our new weekly circuit training program that we just launched. Click the link in the bio and use the code STEMBONUS to get your first month free. We're looking forward to seeing you there.